Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to Lollipop Farm, where today we are going to address our center of gravity issue here on Transformer. This absolutely does not work, having those 24s up front and the 20 fat in the back. It raises the center of gravity up just too darn much. It's only a couple inches, but wow, this thing is just so tippy. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to 20 fat just by taking these tires off Dreamweaver and popping them over here, and then putting these 24 by 2.25s up in front there should just really lighten up the front end. Well, I've ridden this way in the winter, and it was amazing. Both of them I've ridden that way this winter, and it was amazing. So why not go back to that? Because it was amazing. So let's do that. This is a good lesson in how easy it is as well to swap over the front wheels on a SteinTrike. So I'm going to do this in real time. No cuts, no edits. Alright, so what we'll do is move Lolly's trike out of the way. Hers, as you can see from that previous video, just totally rocked those trails. No problems at all. Running 20 in the back, 20 in the front. Same. Worked awesome. So that's pretty much where we're heading here. Luckily, we've got a full pannier. Oh, full of emergency clothing and things of that nature. Stupid light, but as long as I'm on a trike and heavy assist, I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. Maybe not quite enough. Oh my gosh. And that's how we break our goggles. Sorry for the delay here, folks. But you know what? Internet ugly, warts and all. Isn't that what people want to see? So that's where we're at. The other way. One up, one down. Oh, dropped my wrenches. Oh, dropped my wrench. Shout out to the bark farmer there. If you know, you know. If you don't, you should. Oh, man. Driving the struggle bus today. Here we go. Going back. Well, I may need to go get the hose and clean that. We're okay now. I do believe. If I don't get good engagement, I will go get the garden hose and wash that. No, that's fine. Huh. A lot of these pink panniers might be big enough. We'll see. Good thing those are ABS plastic, right? This is just here for a second. There we go. Wait, that one goes to that bolt. Put the right nut with the right bolt. Once they've been put together under torque, I do consider them matched to each other. So let's keep them that way. What do you say, folks? So anyways, that. Where's that cap? There it is. Haha. Almost had to rewind the film. All right. No. Same. Done. What's my timer say? 12 minutes, 49 seconds. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Robert, Victor, and all those folks back in Serbia. I'll get better. Okay, done. No, we're not. We gotta put those wrenches away. All right, anyways, done. What's the time say? 14 minutes, 30 seconds. Bam. Thanks for stopping by. Lollipop Farm, out. Or something cute. I don't know. We'll work on that.